All right, fam. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing good in these turbulent times. Let's just get right into it. The crypto market is looking rough. It's a lot of blood out here in the streets with the crypto market. I'm remaining calm, let's take a look at Bitcoin. You can see here I have some resistance and support lines, and I drew these back here, like back in August. I've had these lines drawn, right? So it's very important, if you're new to this channel or new to crypto, to keep an eye on Bitcoin and know what he's doing, because like I said, he's like that drunk uncle that just shows up to the party and just ruins everything. But when he goes away, things start to get better. Okay, we can continue partying. But you can see here, we've just been having issues trying to stay above 60K. When we do get up there, it's for maybe 1-2 weeks, and we come back down. There's a sell-off, right? And then we try to get back up, and then we get rejected, and now we're bouncing off support here between the 47 and 49 zone. But actually we wicked to a T off of this support zone that I created back in August, right? So yeah, we wicked right off of 42. So we could get a retest of 46, if not 42. And worst case scenario, we've got zones down here, and the 33 to the worst case 28, just under 30K. I like to look at the 3-day. Actually, the 3-day gives me a really good signals and good indications of where the market is going. And even more so, you can see we still haven't found a bottom here on the 3-day. So I like to time my entries on Bitcoin and other cryptos on the 3-day chart. And you can see here, you see this little green dot here at the bottom? I don't have a green dot here on the 3-day yet, so I wouldn't go in on any cryptos right now. I mean, you can start dollar cost averaging, but I wouldn't ape in yet. And then if we take a look at the 5-day, you can see where we are here, okay? Now, the next 10 days are very crucial for Bitcoin. It could determine if we're going to go lower or if we're going to trade sideways. We'll see if the bulls show up. This is just a guess. Charts are just indicators of what's going on. We're clearly in a downtrend right now. We're trying to find some support, and this downtrend started back in November, so about 4 weeks ago. So we literally been in a downtrend for about 4 weeks, okay? And we got our first first red candle on the this is the MACD. Yeah, on the MACD. So yeah, I'm remaining calm, and I am taking this opportunity to get some entries on some projects that I might have missed the run up on before. You've got Binamon. Binamon is on a fire sale right now. It's a crazy fire sale. You look at the let's look at the 3-day. Yeah, so we're clearly in a downtrend. Still no bottom on the 2-day, and still no bottom on the daily. Okay, so we might start to get some type of sideways action around here once we get our first daily green candle, and then maybe a retest once or twice, and then continue our uptrend or reverse trend. But then again, that can all be invalidated by Bitcoin. All right, so yeah, there's a lot of good deals out here. In these times, it's very important not to panic, and to maybe look at what you have in your portfolio. If you're looking for dry powder, if you're up 300-400% on something, this is what I did. I took out my initial and I put it into another position that maybe I had higher conviction on, or maybe I wanted to open a new position, but I didn't want to put fresh capital in for my bank account. So, that's another strategy that I use quite often. If I'm up 200 or 300, 400, 500%, I'll just go back and take out the initial and I'll shuffle it around in my portfolio so I can open up another position. And, that's another way to grow your holdings. All right. So yeah, I just want to give a little update on what I'm seeing, what we're all seeing, and my take on it. I think that we could be in for some more pain. We could be in for some more pain. So if you can't handle that, or you want to reduce risk, you want to go into a risk off mode, now is the time to, like I said, take out your initial if you're up 200, 300, 400, 500%. Not financial advice, but you can never go wrong taking profits or taking out your initial. Only you can answer this question. What's easier for you to handle? Damn, I sold too early, or why didn't I sell when it was up there, right? Only you can answer. Only you can answer that question, okay? And yeah, I like to say, man, I sold too early. I prefer saying that sometimes, but that doesn't always work out sometimes, because sometimes it sucks saying that too. All right, fam. So I think we're in for more pain. If we look at the weekly chart, when in doubt, zoom out. Look at the weekly. Look, this is the weekly, guys. This is the weekly. Okay. We're still in an uptrend. See this little green line here? Like, we're still in an uptrend. All right. As long as we can get back up above that, we're still going up. All right. Look at the weekly chart. Don't look at the daily, the 4 hour, the 30-minute, the 30-second. You're going to freak out. Zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. We are still in an uptrend. All right. Almost since the inception of Bitcoin. Yeah, we've had 30, 40, 60, 70, 80% dumps. But overall, we're still an uptrend, because over time, if you look at the Bitcoin chart over years, it's just increased in value, right? So, this is just inter-day, inter-week, inter-hour volatility, all right? So, yeah, I could see us coming down here. This is why a 20K to 18 to 21K Bitcoin, it could get front run around 23, 24. It's totally possible. It can totally happen. Now, will it stay there long? I don't think so. I think it would get bought up. It'll get snatched up so quick by retail and institutions. Hell, Coinbase might even have issues. You might have issues trying to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. Okay? So keep some dry powder, just have, sometimes up until now, I had automatic deposits of USDC on Coinbase, just in case I need to make a quick move and I don't have to deal with, connectivity issues. I can't transfer from my bank account, et cetera, et cetera. Same with the stock market, TD Ameritrade, E-Trade. Hey, every time you get paid, even if you don't have a stock you want to buy or option or whatever it is, just put some money in the account. In the event you wake up one day and everything's on sale, it's a fire sale. Okay? Keep some dry powder. Keep some money on hand. Keep some cash. All right? So that's just my take, fam. And we will get through this. We will get through this. This too shall pass. Ethereum is looking really strong. It's looking really strong against Bitcoin. Ethereum is looking really strong. A lot of discussion about Ethereum flipping Bitcoin. Maybe we see a 10, 12K Ethereum. Totally possible. I don't know when, but it's possible. Who knows? It's crypto. All right, fam. Till next time. Ghost.